It was a metropolis. For someone, more than 200,000 people live here. For someone, I don't think so. Too many. We are talking about citizens. Citizens that lived in the city. Probably 100,000 people. There are quite a lot. Citizens and people, foreigners, that were allowed to live in the city. They had like a green card.
Oh, yeah.
We are not talking about people that work in the city. So this valley was pretty full of houses. You see, there is a stenopost. There is a road that I told you that cut orthogonally the decumano, the avenue. So at about 33 meters on the left, on the right side, there was another road, and so on. All this valley was pretty full of roads and houses. So it was built everywhere.
Ciao dear Sicily lovers and welcome to this live broadcast. We are in the beautiful Valley of the Temples and our beautiful group of Sicily lovers are enjoying the guided tours here in this beautiful location. It's a beautiful sunny day, the sky is so blue and so the Valley of the Temple is even more beautiful. I lost my beautiful earrings, so I have the necklace, but I lost the second earrings. Now Daniela, the Queen of Crochet, need to make it again. And we are here. Gianca maybe is here, is coming, is shooting a lot of pictures and videos. Would you like to say hello to our friend Gianca?
Hello from the Valley of the Temples. Hello everyone. This is an highlight.
Yeah.
And finally we have the opportunity to be here to broadcast from this beautiful location. This is a UNESCO site, one of the must-see locations, one of the highlights in Sicily.
And in particular, we are in front of the most well-preserved temple.
Yeah, it's one of the best Greek temples. Which place?
Yes.
Because people want to see the temple,
yes.
not us.
This one was built around 402.
So we are in the between of Agrigento. That's Agrigento and the Mediterranean Sea.
And the first and last column in front of us.
Can you see the Mediterranean?
So that the people from far away could see them straight.
And this is Rosella.
Of course. Don't worry, Gianca. Take pictures and videos. I will show the temple to our friends.
That's incredible. You know, the columns are almost perfect. They have an entrance.
Of course, the Valley of the Temples is always included in our Sicily Lovers Tour. And even if you want a custom private tour, you can ask to include in your tour this beautiful location. Let's go closer. Oh, come with me and say hello to Mary. We have to say hello to Mary. We are live.
Watching us.
Mary's watching. This is a live broadcast. Come here. Come here. This way, John. This way.
Oh, you're going.
Yes.
In the selfie mode. In the
Gold
selfie
coins for
mode.
you.
Yeah.
You got Greek
So,
and Roman coins on the ground. I look for you, huh?
Mary, we are sorry that you are not here with us, but we hope that next year you will join our Sicily Lovers Tour.
Sì,
So
certo.
very grateful.
Sentiamo la tua mancanza, Mary.
Mary, let me say something. Thanks for sending us these wonderful guys. They are amazing, and I am very, very proud to be with them.
You have no idea how
No
important
idea.
you are on this
No
trip.
idea. We are enjoying too much this time all together.
Sì, sì.
A beautiful group
giusto.
of 15 beautiful people, the most of them has a Sicilian origin, and they are beautiful. Michelino and
we had
John.
the opportunity to sing all together
Yeah.
with John. John is a
Sì.
great tenor, and perhaps in a few days we will sing again.
Sì, perché no?
Undoubtedly.
Mary,
Ciao,
this is
bella.
for you. A big hug for
and
you.
his man invented a new dance in Sicily. Can I say?
Sì.
The sausage dance. Would you like to say something about the sausage dance?
No necessary.
Not necessary.
He was dancing around with his sausage in his hand.
We can.
That's what
No,
he
no,
was.
It's
no.
not
we
a
can-
scandal.
Forget about it.
Not a
Forget
scandal.
about it.
Not what you are thinking about.
Just tell Mary if you are enjoying this tour.
Oh yes, you have to come next year. Let's book it again next year, and you come that time. Okay.
Thank you, Mitz.
Thank you.
John,
Ciao
for
bella.
being here.
Molto grazie.
Greater than all our expectations ever. It's so wonderful. One day after the other is escalating, more exciting, more adventurous.
Vittorio, vieni pure tu. Come with
It's
this.
just
Come with
wonderful.
us.
Say hello to the world. We are
Let me
live.
introduce you to Vittorio, our special local guide here in Agrigento.
First class.
As always. As always.
Guys, say hello to the world. Wait for me. Say hello. Ciao. How are you?
Very good. Very good. Ciao.
Please.
Ciao, ciao, ciao. We're having a wonderful time. You must come.
You must come.
Must come.
No doubt.
Real education
Charlie.
we're receiving here.
Are you enjoying, Charlie?
Absolutely. The guide is very, very informative.
He's a comedian.
What
a
about
comedian.
what about last
Entertaining and
night?
informative.
Would you like to say something about last night?
Put it in words.
Oh boy.
last night.
Still trying to digest that.
I'm still looking
That
at
was,
the videos. I can't believe
It was a scene from a film better than The Godfather.
Last night we had a great time all together. It was one of the best
it was.
That
days
was.
in our career. I can
Oh,
say
really?
that.
In
I
my
can-
life, I'll say too.
I can
It was
say.
amazing. So everything came together. It was just so beautiful. The sun even cooperated, and the clouds were all. With
I am the
us.
son. I'm the
Yes,
owner
you
of
know.
the. I'm managing the sun.
You must have had the sun and the clouds under contract.
Right. Well said. Everything's under our control.
Thank you, guys. Enjoy
Best.
your guided tour.
Thank you.
Ciao. Sì, sì.
We've only just begun.
Get closer to the temple. Oh, look at John. John, we are live, bro.
This is a modern sculpture made by Sicily Lovers Tour. We started this dive in Venice a few years ago. We went in Toscana with Ferrari. And that is our Egypt, Italy, the Zero Sun. Both father and son, the two communities from the state, from Crete, from the Ladus, king of Greece. And our heritage, because the Greeks were coming from there, from Crete. The first Greek colonists were coming from Crete. So
Yeah, I'll get down. You can get this. It's even better.
stronger relation with the Crete. Anyway, it's really amazing country. That has been always like this. Was built 2,500 years ago. And still perfect, you know? Still, you know. Well, this is it wouldn't be comfortable to live there. No. Yeah, right, you know, this is special one. Special one. They are reconstructing the Parthenon in Athens, for example, and they are using new blocks, even if they say anastylosis or reconstruction.
And also the landscape is beautiful. Look at this beautiful.
Oh, this is a very old olive tree.
Yeah.
Anyway, have a look at it.
Let's go to the angel,
Yes.
the fallen angel.
I also have to watch my steps.
Don't fall during the live broadcast. So beautiful. Rosella,
Would you like to say something about
I think we are enjoying one of the best places in Sicily, and the only trouble is represented by the hot temperature. There are only a few trees in this walking tour, and we took the opportunity to stay in the shade as much as possible. But as you can see, it's so hard today, but it's so beautiful, and you can't miss it.
Would you like to say something about our day? We left Palermo.
Yeah, we left Palermo in the morning. We crossed the Sicily, the island, direction south, direction to Agrigento. We passed through Gianca. We visited the famous Turkish step. So we just took a picture because it's not how do you say, allowed anymore to enter the cliff, the white beautiful cliff, and so we just took a picture from the road, from the viewpoint. Then we moved to the restaurant near the Valley of the Temples. We had a great lunch.
A beautiful restaurant with a beautiful garden overlooking the Valley of the Temples.
Lush vegetation.
Oh, sorry, you don't have the microphone. I forgot to tell.
Oh, sorry,
but maybe
guys.
they can hear you.
Yeah, it's one of the best restaurants in the area.
We had the Parmigiana.
We had Parmigiana, one of the best Parmigiana I ever had in my life. I have to confess, they are amazing.
Then we have a pasta with the fresh fish and wild fennel.
And almond slices.
And tiramisu.
And
as
tiramisu.
dessert.
And now we are enjoying the Valley of the Temple. And in a few hours, we will be in Ortigia, the old city center of Syracuse, another UNESCO site, another must-see location in Sicily. So today we've been traveling from the north coastline to the south, and now we are going to the east. East for you, east for me.
So we are crossing in the entire island.
Yeah, it's one of the hardest days of the trip, but it's, how do you say, necessary.
Yes, and they are happy.
Everybody's happy, no doubt.
So this is the most important thing. So maybe we can reach again the rest of the group.
Yeah, but let me say just that Agrigento, the Valley of the Temple, should be a must in your tours of Sicily. So if you join our tours, for sure, we will recommend you to include the Valley of the Temple. It's an highlight. And if you join our group tours, I would like to remind you again, the next edition, the Sicily Lovers Tour 2023, will take place from May 29 to June 10, 2023. And we will visit, of course, the Valley of the Temples.
Best things to do in Sicily.com.
Yeah, if you want to secure your spot, you can go to bestthingstodoinsicily.com. And what else, Rosella? Don't forget that we are at your disposal to provide you a tailored private tour of Sicily whenever you want. So it's up to you. You can choose between a group tour. You can join other beautiful people. Like in this case, we are having 15 people, 15 American people. Or you can decide to visit Sicily with us, with your relatives, with your friends, with your family, and we will put together a memorable tour of Sicily according to your needs. That's the most important thing, because everything could be customized according to your wishes, your desires. Right?
Right, Gianca?
Do you realize that my English is a little bit better?
Maybe you are learning.
I'm improving the English in the last days, because I am all day long with American people who are teaching me how to speak in English. I have to thank them.
Now we have to reach again the group. So for today is all, and it's time to say together,
Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily. Ciao guys.
Ciao, dear
See you
Sicily
soon.
lovers.
See you the next one.
Ciao.
Ciao. Thanks for watching us.